Opening BSNL self-care app in Android mobile. Select pay bill. Select landline. Provide STD code and landline number and then click submit. Pay bill. Select debit card. Select payment gateway and click continue for payment. After providing CAPTCHA, click continue for payment. Enter card details and click pay. Payment failed. Your payment of Rs 700 was failed. Transaction not permitted to cardholder. Solution: SBI debit card is not active for domestic ECOM transactions. So kindly visit branch to enable it. Subscribe.